Hello, friend. I'm Zaza. Today we're learning Spanish colors. Are you ready? Let's go! Look, red. Red. In Spanish, rojo. Rojo. Can you say rojo? Great job! Look, blue. Blue. In Spanish, azul. Azul. Can you say azul? Wonderful! Look, yellow. Yellow. In Spanish, amarillo. Amarillo. Can you say amarillo? Amazing! So let's try again. Red, rojo, blue, azul, yellow, amarillo. You did it! See you next time. Adios!